10 dangerous weight loss mistakes and how to fix them. Have you ever wondered why no matter how hard you try, the weight just won't come off? Maybe you've skipped meals, tried miracle pills, pushed yourself to exhaustion at the gym, and yet instead of losing weight, you feel more tired, more frustrated, sometimes even heavier than before. The truth is, many people fall into the same traps without even realizing it. Today, I want to share with you 10 dangerous mistakes people often make when trying to lose weight, and more importantly, how to avoid them so your journey becomes healthy, sustainable, and effective. The first mistake is complete fasting. Many people believe that the less you eat, the faster you will lose weight, but starving yourself only throws your body into survival mode, lowering your metabolism, draining your energy, and in extreme cases causing dizziness or fainting. The right way is not to starve, but to eat smart. Intermittent fasting with proper nutrition can help your body burn fat while still giving you the energy it needs. The second mistake is relying on quick fix diet pills. Advertisements promise you can lose 5 or 10 pounds in just a week, but what they don't tell you is the cost. These pills can damage your liver, stress your kidneys, and even harm your heart. Some can be addictive. The truth is, there are no shortcuts. The safest and most effective way is always through balanced eating and consistent activity. The third mistake is cutting out all carbohydrates. Carbs have become the villain in many trendy diets, but the body needs them to function, especially your brain. Eliminating carbs entirely can make you lightheaded, irritable, and mentally drained. Instead of cutting them out, choose good carbs: oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, foods that give steady energy without spiking your blood sugar. The fourth mistake is over-exercising. You might think that more exercise means more fat burned, but when you push yourself too hard, you risk injuries, muscle loss, and burnout. Exercise should energize you, not punish you. The smarter path is balance. Mix cardio with strength training and active recovery like stretching or yoga. Consistency matters more than intensity. The fifth mistake is sleeping less in the hope of burning more. Some people stay up late, thinking that more waking hours will help them slim down. In reality, lack of sleep disrupts your hormones, increases your appetite, and makes you crave junk food. Getting 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep is one of the most powerful fat-burning tools you already have. The sixth mistake is replacing meals with detox drinks. A glass of lemon water or cucumber juice can be refreshing, but when you make it your main diet, your body loses protein, healthy fats, and muscle mass. You may see the number on the scale go down, but it's not fat loss, it's weakness. Use detox drinks as a supplement, not as a replacement for real meals. The seventh mistake is following fad diets blindly. Maybe you've heard of the cabbage soup diet, the fruit-only diet, or drinking nothing but milk for days. These extreme methods might show quick results, but they starve your body of essential nutrients and leave you exhausted. Everybody is different. What works for one person may harm another. The solution is to build a balanced, long-term plan that fits your lifestyle and health needs. The eighth mistake is relying too heavily on coffee or so-called slimming teas. Caffeine can speed up metabolism for a short time, but overuse leads to rapid heartbeat, insomnia, and stomach problems. A cup or two a day is fine, but no drink can replace proper nutrition. The ninth mistake is skipping breakfast. Many people think avoiding breakfast helps cut calories, but the opposite happens. Without fuel in the morning, you feel sluggish, your concentration drops, and by evening you overeat, often on unhealthy foods. A light breakfast with protein and fiber, like eggs, Greek yogurt, or oatmeal, will keep you full and steady throughout the day. The 10th and perhaps most destructive mistake is becoming obsessed with the scale and constantly comparing yourself to others. Checking your weight 3 or 4 times a day only leads to frustration and disappointment because your weight naturally fluctuates. True progress is not just in numbers, but in how you feel, how your clothes fit, your strength, and your energy. Focus on your own journey, not someone else's highlight reel. In the end, losing weight should not feel like punishment. It should feel like self-care. Your body is the only home you will ever have, and treating it harshly will only break it down. The goal is not simply to be thinner, but to be healthier, stronger, and more alive. So if you are on this path, remember, eat smart, rest well, move often, and above all, be kind to yourself. If you found this message helpful, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue this journey together toward a healthier, more balanced, and more meaningful life.